You want this? Good job. Put it on. Can you put the hat on? Good job. You tired? Yummy. Yummy Cheerios. Since you decided to throw the entire bowl all over. What's this? Mommy put it on her head. Mommy put the hat on her head. What do you think? You want to get it off? Oh, my goodness. Very good. Are you going to put it on you? You going to put it on you? You should put it on you. Yeah. Is that good? You took it off. Put it on Mama.